Hello everyone. So I'm sorry I got feeling stressed and I have something problems for me. We're here from this one. It is analyze of this game. So the name of this tournament is Fujairah Global 2025. So it means located in Fujairah, United Arab Emirates here. So it means today is round number one from this one. So it means round robin or long game. So how many clocks within 1 hour, 30 minutes, and 30 seconds increment. So today's round number one here, and also between this Grandmaster in China, Zhu Zhener, versus Grandmaster in Ukraine is Yuri Kosobov. So it means these are the joining events from this Fujairah Global 2025. So it means all boys and one girl only from this one. So it means all of this one from these events here. So today's round number one here in this part of this video, you have analyzed here from the standings after round number one in Fujairah. So white plays Zhu, is e4, e5 Yuri, knight f3, knight c6, bishop c4, entering Sioko piano, c3, knight f6, and also d3, d6. Without next maneuver is next by bishop to g4 here, without threats the knights here. So threatening the knights here from this one, and also castling by Zhu, castling by Yuri, and also rook e1, bishop backwards b6, without no more by here by d4 pawns, or maybe here by without backwards by bishop by Yuri here from this one, and also h3 pawns without no more by bishop to g4 or knight g4 here. So because these are the transfer by maneuver is pawns here, and also knight e7 without next maneuver is knight to g6 by Yuri here, and also bishop backwards b3 by no more by pawn to d5, because these are the bishop backwards by Zhu here, and also knight g6, good precise move by Yuri here, or maybe without next transfer by knight to h5 or knight f4. So it means next maneuver here, and also knight bd2 without knight bd2 by Zhu Zhener, with idea by without transferring by knight f1 or knight g3. So knight g3 by next maneuver here, and also knight h5. So knight h5 without next by transfer by knight f4 by Yuri here, and also knight f1. Next maneuver transfer by knight g3 by Zhu Zhener here, and also knight hf4. So it means good precise move by Yuri, without move side by knights here, without these are connecting here by knights from this develops here, developed from this one, and also pawn d4 without threats the pawns, with idea by threats the pawns, or without push by semi-close here, and also queen f6. So it means these are a new move from this battle of these games here. So these are the old main lines here. So it means the first good novelty is bishop to e6 or pawn to a6. So it means first and second old main lines here. So new novelty by queen f6, novelty by Yuri here, and also knight g3. So it means good fantastic move by Zhu Zhener here from this one, and also bishop e6 without move side by controls by Yuri, without counters attacks by bishop to bishop. So bishop to bishops here from this one, and also ignoring backwards bishop c2. So it means that's not one captured by Zhu Zhener. So in accept, why don't we continue bishop takes captured? How do you think? I want to capture this bishop. And also queen takes bishop. So determination, so it means easy from these examples here from this one. So back there, this one is bishop backward c2, ignoring by Zhu Zhener. So it means because does not want up captured by bishop to bishop, and also pawn h6, and also knight f5, very strongest by Zhu Zhener, without strongest by connecting here from these knights here, and also rook fe8, and also bishop e3. So it means, so with the idea by push by here, So push by d5 without threats the bishop, or next by counters attacks the bishop. So it means, so bishop e3, why she bad move by Schuschner? So it means that's not one of the stockfish computer. So the one's computer, the best moves, the better move is decided push to d5, semi-close here. So it means with idea by threats the bishop. So it means, so easy advantage here by whites here from this one. So back to this one, bishop e3 by Schuschner here, and also rook a d8 without close by pairs by rooks here, and also king h2, and also c5, blunderacious by Yuri from this c5 here. So it means red square here. So the best moves there, once computer continue capture this pawn, e takes d4, and also pawn to d4. So etc etc. These are the slightly betters from these blocks here. So it means c5 by Yuri. So okay, the little guessing puzzle. What do you think are idea the best moves from this one in this perfect correction by excellent move by Grandmaster Schuschner. So guessing puzzles here. So while waiting for a couple of seconds and continue for the start. Thank you so much here, and congrats for everyone. Push d5. Excellent move by Schuschner. So it means semi-close here. So it means great move. Good move from this one in this excellent by Schuschner. With idea by pawn to threats the bishop. So it means these are the connecting here from this one. So it means connection. And also decided this one. Bishop takes captured knight. So it means sacrifice. Sacrifice here from this one. And decided pawn takes bishop. So it means threats the knights here. With idea by threats the knights. So threatening the knights here from this one, and also knight e7, and another excellent move, good move. Bishop takes captured knight. What a excellent move by Schuschner here. And also e takes f4 bishop, and also rook e4 with idea by here. So it means with idea to controls by here by move side here by rook e4. So it means very awesome, fantastic by Schuschner. And also rook f8, and also queen d2. So with idea by transferring by battery, or maybe by a3. So it means a3 by pawns here, and also g5. Whoa! What do you think the move side by g5? So it means that g5 by Yuri here, and decided this one, Empress had captured. And also knight takes captured pawns. So it means decided this one by captured. And also battery rook a e1. And also rook d7 with idea by battery. So battery from this next transfer by batteries here. And also rook a4. And also bishop d8. So it means without bishop to d8 here. And also rook takes captured. And also knight e5. So it means these are the slightly opposite color bishop. So it means slightly opposite color. So it means these are the good slightly opposite color bishops. It means I like opposite color by slightly opposite color bishop here. And also knight takes captured, and also takes, and also queen d3. So queen d3 by Schuschner. With idea by here without check. So queen h7 check. So it means without check here. And also queen g7 by no more by check. So no more by check here from this one. So it means, so I like this one by slightly opposite color bishop. So slightly opposite color bishop here from this one. And also bishop a4 with idea by threats the counters by rooks here. So threatening the counters the rooks, and also pawn c4. Oh, sacrificed by Yuri. So it means threats the queens. So it means with idea by threats the queens, and also queen f3, and also bishop b8. I mean bishop b6. Sorry. So it means sorry. I got notes. I got wrong notes here. So I'm sorry guys, I got wrong notes. So it means I'm very confused my brains here. So it means bishop b6 by Yuri with idea by threats the rooks, or without bishop threats the rooks. So these are the slightly opposite color bishop. So slightly opposite color bishop here. So I love slightly opposite color bishop here. And also decided this one by Jushner is bishop takes captured rook and bishop takes captured rook. So it means, so I love slightly opposite color bishop. So it means these are the captured this rook and this one captured by rooks here. So it means the slightly opposite color bishop. And also bishop b5 and also pawn f5, d6. Oh, without d6 here, without move side by push to d7 or promotes queen here, and also king force h8, and also bishop takes captured, and also rook d8 threats the pawns, and also defense rook d1 without pawns, and also bishop c5. So these are the pairs by slightly opposite color bishop, slightly opposite color bishop here. So it means without threats the pawns. So threats the pawns and rook threats the counters attacks the pawns here. And also queen h5 and also queen f6 here. Without doubles here. Without triples, without rooks and queens and bishop. So triple from this one. So these are the counters attacks the pawns. So it means threats the pawns here from this one, and also king g1, bishop takes captured. One pawn down by Jushner. So it means how many pawns here? 5 pawns by Yuri and 6 pawns by Jushner. So it means 6 versus 5 here. So it means 1 pawn done by Yuri here, 1 pawn done by Yuri Kosobov, and also rook d5, and also rook f8, queen d1, and also bishop e7, and also rook d7 without idea by threats the pawns. With idea by threats the pawns here from this one, and also b6 by move by Yuri, and also queen h5 by Jushner, and also bishop d6 without good controls by Yuri, and also bishop f7, and also bishop b8, and also bishop g6. So it means I like that in slightly opposite color bishop. It means these are the movement by connecting the bishops. And also king g5 without queen to queen, and in accept by Zhu takes, pawn takes, and the second puzzle. So what do you think the perfect move without strongest by finding brilliant sacrifice move by Grandmaster Jushner? So white to place. So while waiting for a couple of seconds and continue for that. Start. Thank you so much here, and congrats for everyone. Boom! Bishop takes captured. Brilliant move. What the strongest, excellent, or with the strongest by brilliant sacrifice move by Grandmaster Jushner. Very strongest. So look at the evaluation bar. I mean evaluation bar. So it means look at the evaluation bar. Bar is very highest of this one in this rating by evaluation bar. So it means evaluation bar from this one without plus 4.46 here. 46, and also bishop takes captured. Brilliant sacrifice by Jushner, and decided rook takes sacrifice bishop. rook takes captured sacrifice. So it means, so bishop and rook by Yuri and one rook only by Zhuzhiner. So it means 2 pieces here versus 1 pieces. And also, good move, rook d8 check. So it means, so rook without check and traps the bishop. Without traps here, traps the bishop here. And also, king g7, rook takes bishop, threats the pawns. And also e4, and also rook e8. So it means without rook e8 here, without Schuschnigg with idea by counters attacks the pawns. So it means threats the pawns here, and also rook a5 threats the a2 pawns, and rook takes captured pawn. Rook takes captured with idea by threats the pawns. Next by counters attacks here, and also the finishing move, the last move here in this last from this transfer from this move, rook b4 resigns by Grandmaster Yuri in Ukraine. So why he resigns? For example, so if you move by rook a6, only move here without defense from these pawns, and also g3. So g3, and if you capture takes, captured here, and also king to f6, king f6 here. So king f6, so if you move by h4, so h4, so it means capture, takes, so takes here, from she takes h4, and also g6, so g6 here. So if you move by here, if you move by rook g4 check, so rook g4 check, and also king f6, so king f6 here. If you move by h5, so h5, and also king to f5, king to f5 here. So king f5 threats the rooks here, and also rook to g8. So it means without almost by push, so it means without push, or promotes by h8 queen, so it means unstoppable by here, by promotes here. So it means lose from this one from blacks. So it means, so the score by this one by Schuschnigg 94.3 and score 89.4 by Yuri Kosobov. So the winner from this one in this round number 1, Grandmaster Schuschnigg. So I will next have this clip from this one between from this China versus Romania. So I will analyze of this one in these games. So I hope of this part of this video. Thank you so much for watching. I'm Mark Loagi17, aka iCoolMark17. Have a good day and keep safe and keep updates of these next chess updates. Bye bye.